Hey Year 10s, here's a video on how to find the volume of different prisms. So in my first example here, I have for you, you can see they've already found the area of that one face. So that's a face. The other way to think about it is, I think we've talked about in the videos you've seen about the idea of the cross-sectional area. So they've given you the cross-sectional area. So from here, it should be pretty easy what you're going to be doing. To find the volume, what you're going to do is you're going to take the area and you're going to multiply by the height. So in this example here, the height is over, I'm trying to get a different colored pen, there we go. The area, or sorry, the height is right there. So there's your height right there. So if it gives you the area already, all you need to do is you take the area and multiply by the height. So it's the area multiplied by the height. Oops, that's gray, sorry. By the height. So in this situation, it would be 40.2 centimeters squared multiplied by, I'm just trying to get that to look like a multiply sign. Just gonna move my tools, there we go. Multiplied by 12.1 centimeters. So I'm going to take 40.2 centimeters squared, multiply by 12.1 centimeters, and I get a total of, I'm just going to get that in there, 486.42 centimeters cubed. Don't forget that when you are writing volume, the units for volume are centimeters cubed or meters cubed or millimeters cubed. Area is centimeters squared, and it's because you're taking centimeters squared and multiplying by centimeters to get to centimeters cubed. So in my next example, what I'm going to do is we're going to find the volume of this shape right here. So this one's a little bit trickier because they have not told you the area. So if you take 1 second and look at it, you can see that there is no area of this. Just hard on my phone. So with this one, you're trying to find the area of that shape, that triangle right in there. So I'm just gonna walk it back a little bit. So you're trying to find the area in here. So you'll find that area first. Then you're going to use the height here and multiply. So the first thing we'll do is we'll take the area of a triangle, which is area equals base times height divided by 2. The other way that we've written this as well has been base times height times half, if that's kind of helpful to you. So area equals base times height, which is 6 times 8 divided by 2. I type it in my calculator, I get 6 times 8 equals 48 divided by 2. Gets me 24 centimeters squared. So that's the area of the triangle. So just like in the past example, if I were to write in that information, the area of just the triangle, triangular face, just that shape right in here, the area of that, the area is 24 centimeters squared. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the height down here, and we're going to go times 11. We're not measuring in centimeters, we're measuring in millimeters, but it's 11 millimeters. Let's try to fix that. That's millimeters. And so 24 millimeters times 11 millimeters equals 264 millimeters cubed. And don't do a mistake like me and not look carefully at your units and make a mistake like I did right there. So just be careful. I hope that video is helpful. For the rest of the work, it's all triangular prisms and rectangular prisms. So just remember to find the area of one of the faces and then multiply by the height. Take care. Oops, I added like 16 pages there. Just give me a second.